This is our new LiFT lens support system, which is available in 19mm, 15 studio, and 15 lightweight. We also have an extension kit with rolling Y bracket, which is an optional item for any of these packages. Each lens support can be adjusted in two ways. Unlock the center thumb screw and slide side to side. You can also raise this vertical column. Our studio lens supports use a 3/8 knob and are ARRI standard height. On the 15 lightweight, we have a 3/8 included as well as a 1/4-20. On the lighter weight zooms, it's more common to have a 1/4-20 foot, which is why this screw is included on the lightweight version. To utilize the optional extension set, you can either stack these onto the vertical post like this, and let's say you need to add the Y bracket, just add that on top. Another option is to remove this support structure, and to do that, we'll just unlock our 3/8 screw. We'll pop out our center column here. And this center opening on all of our lens supports is a 15mm rod. And that's the same as the support post. So you can actually just drop this in directly. You can also stack these if you need to reach a certain height. And then we also include a cap, 1/4-20 here. So if you have a lens that has a very short support foot, you could stack all of these and then add a 1/4-20 cap on top. To install the lens support, you can unlock the two side thumb screws and then drop it onto your rods. And I'll put this close to where I think the lens support foot is going to end up. We can just gently tighten these. We don't want them too tight, so we can still move it around. And we can also push this 3/8 screw down to make sure that we're not fighting with that screw when we're installing the lens. We can rest it on top of the lens support, like our bayonet. And now we can adjust our lens support to better match where the foot is, and then we'll push our screw up into the 3/8 of the lens. All right, once our 3/8 screw is tight, we can gently lift up on the lens, and then we'll tighten this front thumb screw to lock the vertical support post. Then we'll go back and finish tightening our 19mm clamps to make sure that those are tight on the rods. You wouldn't typically use the lightweight lens support and Y bracket with this type of heavy zoom lens, but we're going to install it on our lightweight rods just as an example. Another great thing about the lightweight lens support is that you can flip this over to get even more range of adjustment. So we'll put this upside down with our Y bracket and our long extension post, and we'll put this onto our lightweight rods. We'll slide this under the rotating part of our zoom lens here. Lock our two outside thumb screws, push our rolling Y bracket up into our rotating barrel, and then we'll lock that center thumb screw here. Now you can see that when this barrel rotates, our urethane covered bearings roll with it, so you don't have any resistance for your zoom lens. The LiFT lens supports are available now at MID49.com.